Hey, let's go get that mortgage, y'all. We're going to talk about picking a lender and a realtor. Don't go nowhere. Real life, there's something going on in your real life. Let's talk about it. All right, picking a lender, picking a realtor. Where to start, where to go, what to do. All of these questions. I can speak for myself. I have been around and I see different advertisements on social media. I've met different people in church and different things like that. So you may very well already know someone that you can trust or somebody that you might be interested in, asking them to help you with this loan process, to help you with being your realtor, or which bank you want to use or which company you want to use to service your mortgage loan. And that is great. But I wanted to do this video because I just wanted to shed some light on the way that I'm going about picking my lender and picking my realtor. Now, I am going to be choosing my lender first. I'm going to, I've been browsing the internet. You have these big banks, big companies, loan servicers that services millions. They'll tell you they're number one in the state, in the country. And it's just so much thrown at us until it's just all very confusing. Like, who do I use? Where do I go? Where do I start? So I want to shed some light on some of those decisions today. I can only speak from my personal experience. And speaking from my own personal experience, I am choosing to do the FHA loan. I am not at this time, unless something changes in the future, which very well could. I am choosing to look for an existing home already built. Like I said, that could change, but right now, this is the way that I am choosing to start out. Explaining to my loan officer and my realtors what I'm looking for and what I want to do. When you get into this home buying process, I want to help you be clear on some of these things so that when you begin to communicate with the loan servicer and the realtor, you can make these things clear to them, okay? And there won't be no miscommunication. They can get you what you want, and you can get the best benefit. So I'm choosing a loan officer this week coming up, which I have not done yet, but I did do a little bit of research, and I know there's several different ways you can obtain an FHA mortgage loan. You have your local credit unions, you have banks, you have mortgage brokers. And remember, this is a very basic teaching that I'm doing. I said in one of my other videos, if you're looking for some big dog loans, I call them big dog loans because the income is up there and they're ready to put 20% down. This is not the right show for you. This is not the right channel, but you can stay tuned. Maybe you can leave a comment and help some of us. But I am getting ready to go into a loan that's going to allow me to put the least that I can put down on that property, about 3.5%. Or if something going to change before I get down and then go down less than that, hey, whoopee-doo. But right now, we know that the FHA is allowing as low as 3.5%, depending on your credit score. But that's in another video. I want to stick. All right, local credit unions. I do advise you to stay local. I am going to stay local with whatever I do. So that's why I don't really want to just go fill out something online, where their home corporate office is across the country. I want to deal with people in this process that are local, that I can reach, that I can walk into and make sure that we're on the same page and things are getting done so I can walk into this house as unstressful as possible. So I am not going to be choosing a local credit union. I do not want to give any reviews or opinions on anything. I just want to share what I'm doing. And as we go along and as you do your own research, you're welcome to share in the comments or let us know how you are doing. But I do not want to give any advice or any reviews. I just want to encourage you and motivate you to get started and lead and guide you in the right way. Now, with that being said, that is exactly what our realtor will do for us. Our realtor that we choose is going to be somebody that we need to trust. They're going to lead and guide us through this home buying process. It could be months. It could be months. And this realtor that you choose needs to be somebody that you trust and that you can communicate with, and that, you know, y'all got that chemistry going on, okay? That home buyer, loan officer, well, not necessarily loan officer, but realtor chemistry. I am going to be asking a lot of questions, not too many at first, but I am definitely going to ask my ask my realtor how long they've been doing this, what is some of their experiences, why should I work with them? I'm going to be checking them out. All right. Now, I know they have a website, I believe it's called Yelp, YELP, where you can get reviews on different lenders and things like that. But from what I heard, a lot of realtors, you know, they do not market a lot. So, you know, you don't want to hold them accountable if they don't have any reviews or anything like that. You just want to really just speak to them, go up to them. The Bible says, you know the Spirit, try the Spirit, by the Spirit. And you're just going to get that okay and that unction that, yes, this is going to be a good person for me to work with. That's the way I'm going. The loan companies and the loan officers, some of these occupations get paid in different ways. So they do different things, and whatever loan officer that you use, whoever's giving you your loan, is going to depend on the interest rate that you get. So you do want to go on some of the websites and Google, find good interest rate loan companies. But what I suggest first is what I'm going to do. I am going to choose my lender, and then go for choosing my realtor. Now, that might not work for everybody. This is just the way I'm going to be doing it. You can also choose a realtor first, because it could be very well somebody that you already know. And then they will have some good suggestions for you for who to use for your loan. Okay? So it's totally up to you. Just get started. Okay? Now, as far as your realtor, you do not have to worry about paying them. It is normally the seller that pays these fees to a realtor, so you don't have to worry about paying a realtor. You just need to choose one and get started, like I said. All right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go out this week. We're going to make some money moves. I do want to quote Proverbs 23:4. Proverbs 23:4. Do not wear yourselves out to be rich, but be wise enough to refrain yourself. And the Bible tells us that it is God that gives us the power to get wealth. And when you are buying property and buying land and becoming a homeowner, you are definitely investing in an asset for your life. So, with that being said, do not wear yourself out. Pray. Let the Lord lead. Get out there. Put some works with that faith that you have. And let's get this done, guys. Let's do it. Now, I am going to be uploading some more videos. We need to talk about a lot of things. We need to talk our way right into this house. So I am here with you. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Monica Fleming. This is Real Life with Monica. Let's go and let's grow. Don't you go nowhere. right over there in the corner. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. See you next time.